Here are 60 powerful I am affirmations which you can practice every night before sleep. So, just before sleep, sit in a place or even you can just lie down and repeat these affirmations before sleep. Take a deep breath from the belly. Inhale, exhale, and now repeat these affirmations with me. I am proud of all that I accomplished today. I am releasing the stresses of the day with ease. I am at peace with everything that happened today. I am grateful for the lessons this day taught me. I am filled with love and compassion for myself and others. I am letting go of anything that does not serve my highest good. I am safe and protected as I prepare to rest. I am forgiving of my mistakes and learning from them. I am grateful for the love and support in my life. I am worthy of rest and relaxation. I am calming my mind, body, and soul. I am preparing for a peaceful and restorative sleep. I am grateful for all the blessings this day brought me. I am ready to welcome a new day with open arms. I am releasing all negativity from my thoughts. I am free of worry or fear as I go to sleep. I am in alignment with the flow of the universe. I am grateful of my body's ability to heal and rejuvenate. I am at peace with the present moment. I am grateful for my home and the comfort it provides. I am choosing to focus on the gratitude before sleep. I am thankful for the people and experiences in my life. I am letting go of any stress from the day. I am deserving of peace and calm as I rest. I am ready to welcome new opportunities tomorrow. I am aligned with the energy of love and harmony. I am proud of the person I am becoming each day. I am open to receiving divine guidance as I sleep. I am worthy of a fresh start every morning. I am ready to end this day with gratitude and peace. I am surrendering today's challenges to the universe. I am grateful for the peace that surrounds me tonight. I am worthy of deep and rejuvenating rest. I am releasing tension from every part of my body. I am grateful for the love I gave and received today. I am allowing my mind to let go of unnecessary thoughts. I am at ease knowing tomorrow is a fresh start. I am surrounded by a calming energy of love and protection. I am confident that all is unfolding as it should. I am grateful for the progress I made today, no matter how small it is. I am deserving of all the good things that are coming my way. I am letting go of expectations and embracing peace. I am grateful for the lessons today brought me. I am allowing my body to heal as and restore as I sleep. I am releasing the need to control everything and trusting life's flow. I am proud of myself for navigating today with courage. I am grateful for the abundance I experienced today. I am creating space in my heart for peace and tranquility. I am letting go of self doubt and embracing self love. I am at peace with what I accomplished today. I am welcoming sleep with an open heart and calm spirit. I am aligned with the divine energy of rest and renewal. I am thankful for the roof over my head and the bed I sleep in. I am content with the progress I have made on my journey. I am releasing any mistakes I made today, knowing they are lessons. I am grateful for the opportunity to wake up tomorrow and try again. I am calm, relaxed, and ready for a restful night. I am filled with gratitude for all that went well today. I am allowing my subconscious mind to work on my dreams as I sleep. I am trusting the universe to take care of what is beyond my control.